Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and strength training newbies. Today, we're diving into the world of isometric exercises, a fantastic way to build strength and stability, especially for those just starting their fitness journey or returning after an injury. Isometric exercises are all about static movements, where you engage and tighten your muscles without actually moving your joints. Think of it as a powerful way to challenge your body without the need for fancy equipment or complex movements. Now, here's the really cool part. These exercises offer a unique opportunity to build strength in the fundamentals of movement. By holding challenging positions like a plank or a wall sit, you're training your body to stabilize and support itself, which is absolutely crucial for overall fitness and injury prevention. One of the biggest advantages of isometrics is their low-risk nature. Since you're not moving through a range of motion, the chances of hurting yourself are significantly reduced. This makes them an excellent choice for beginners or those easing back into exercise post-injury. So let's talk about the workout routine designed by strength and conditioning coach Esme Hovekamp. This routine includes a mix of exercises that can be performed with either repetitions or isometric holds. If you're new to this, I'd recommend starting with the isometric holds for a week or two, and then gradually introduce repetitions. Remember, it's important to consult a physiotherapist or doctor if you're recovering from an injury to ensure you're doing the right exercises for your body. Now, here's the thing. Just because isometrics are beginner-friendly doesn't mean they're a walk in the park. You're going to feel the burn, and time might seem to slow down, especially during those plank holds. But don't worry, there's a trick to it. Focus on your breath. Breathe slowly and deeply, and you'll find that time starts moving again. Let's dive into the workout itself. We've got a range of exercises targeting different muscle groups, from your glutes and hamstrings to your core, lower back, and shoulders. Each exercise has a specific purpose, and by holding the position for 10 to 20 seconds, you're challenging your body in a whole new way. For example, the glute bridge strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and core. By pushing into your feet and lifting your hips, you're engaging those muscles and holding a powerful position. The bird dog, on the other hand, targets your core, lower back, glutes, and shoulders, all while keeping your hips and shoulders square to the floor. As we progress through the routine, we'll encounter exercises like the dead bug, which strengthens your core and hip flexors, and the superhuman, which targets your lower back and glutes. Each exercise has its own unique challenge, and by holding the position, you're training your body to stabilize and strengthen those specific muscle groups. Now, let's talk about intensity and frequency. This workout can be performed up to 3 or 4 times a week, but it's important to give your body a day of rest between sessions. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. So, there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to isometric exercises and a workout routine to get you started on your strength training journey. Remember, these exercises might be simple in theory, but they pack a powerful punch. So, embrace the challenge, focus on your breath, and let's build some serious strength together. Until next time, stay strong and keep moving.